Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build this Ikea Micke drawer file storage that I just got from Ikea a few days ago. I thought it was ideal to store my drawing tools for some video YouTube projects that I'm doing. So I do a full build and I review some pointers that you might find useful. So the first item of the build includes this slider, metal slider on the side panel. So you just need to keep the note that this is the smallest screw that is here, and there are three of them here, and you will see them once you pull out the one of the metal piece, extend the metal piece, and you'll see all the three holes there. This is all the metal rods that have been attached to the side panels, the side railings, that is, and these screws on these three side railings use the middle size screw shown here, and as you know, the smaller screws attach these lower side rails. So here's the bottom of the drawer with the metal lugs put into position, and this is when it's fully attached to the side panels. So you basically put it flush with the side panels with some wooden dowels, 4 of them on each side, and then you turn this screw to lock it into place. And here's the top part going on, again wooden dowels there, and these are the metal posts, lugs that are used to lock this top piece into place with these metal pins here. Okay, and then the rollers go on top. First of all, you would insert some 4 plastic lugs, and then the metal pin would need to attach to this roller, and then the whole thing would fit into these plastic lugs here. And I found it was very easy for me to do that when I actually braced the metal piece against a hard surface and pushed downwards instead of using a hand, which was quite tough. Here's the 3 drawers. I've turned my dining table into a manufacturing line, so I just wanted to complete this very quickly, and so that's how I set them up. And here's one of the completed drawers with the side railing all screwed down, and the bottom piece, just make sure that, careful not to put the unfinished part of the bottom piece on this side. And finally, the third drawer, the bigger drawer, which lies at the bottom, that was not like the instructions said had advice. They assumed that this metal piece was separate from this piece, but in fact it was one piece, so I wasn't so sure how to take this whole piece out, so I ended up pulling this metal piece out while I had the drawer gasket there, and then position the drawer to align with those screws. But the third screw I couldn't find, so I managed to just put it 2 screws, but I found that to be okay. It didn't cause any obvious problems. And here's the final piece, made, complete, finished. Looks very attractive, and the build time was about an hour. Not very difficult to make, and durability, always hard to tell with these products how long they're going to last, but I think this one is reasonably well built. I find the fact that they have a roller here supports this bigger drawer, which will help to keep it, improve longevity. Here's a quick video of the unit that I built.
Hi everyone. Okay, I just finished this four drawer unit, and it's I just want to show you the video of this. It's reasonably light, good quality. The rollers work fine. As you know, this one was supposed to be 3 screws, but I only put 2 because I couldn't actually get the other screw, and they don't seem to go all the way in, but I have to screw it down properly. But it seems to.
Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll come back again for more videos to make life easy. Please subscribe, and then I'm uploading videos on a daily basis, so I'm sure there will be videos that will be of interest to you. Again, thanks, and see you soon. Bye.